Now coming to card repertories. Now card repertory, one drawback of card repertory is that it is not, user friendly. So we'll start with the card repertories. The first card repertory which was published was by Dr. William Jefferson Guernsey in the year 1888. So remember, 1888. Dr. William Jefferson Guernsey published a repertory based on Bonninghausen's philosophy, and it had 2,500 cards and 126 remedies. Okay, next one was Dr. H.C. Allen, but not much information we get about it. Next one was in the year 1912 by Margaret Tyler, sponged card repertory based on Kent's work. But remember, Kent has never told Dr. Margaret Tyler to prepare a repertory, and it contained 1,000 cards. Next one was in the year 1913. In 1913, again based on Kent's work, Welsh and Houston prepared a repertory, card repertory. So 1888, Guernsey based on Bonninghausen's work. Now 1912, Margaret Tyler on Kent. 1913, Welsh and Houston, again by Kent. Again, we have 1922, Dr. Field, again wrote a card repertory based on Kent's work. Okay, so next one is 1924. In 1924, we have Dr. Boger's card repertory. Dr. Boger's card repertory in the year 1924. Now, next one is in the year 1948. Now, 1948 is a very important one. We have two major card repertories published in the year 1948. Remember, 1948. First one was George Boursel's card repertory based on Kent's work, one of the important one. Remember, George Boursel's card repertory based on Kent's work. Now, if you see, we have already 3-4 card repertories based on Kent. First one, 1912, Margaret Tyler. 1913, Welsh and Houston. 1922, Dr. Field's card repertory. And 1948, George Boursel's card repertory based on Kent. Okay, which had 640 remedies and 1,861 cards. Now, coming to the next important card repertory in the year 1948 is Dr. Marcus Dominus. Now, when we talk about Dr. Marcus Dominus, he published a simplified repertory. Okay, but this was, and it was based on Bonninghausen's work. But remember, but this was actually, originally written by his father. And name of his father was Dr. Henrik Geminus Numes. Okay, this was his work in the year 1910, but it got published by Dr. Marcus Dominus in the year 1948. And this was first person who brought about evaluation of drugs on cards. Okay, or introduced evaluation of drugs on cards. Marcus Dominus. Next one. In the year 1950, Dr. J.S. Weiss and Dr. Robert H. Farley, they published Spindle's card repertory. Spindle's card repertory having 274 remedies and 190 cards. Remember, 190 cards. So next one is Dr. P. Shankaran's repertory, card repertory based on Boger's work. Had 420 cards and 292 remedies. Okay. Now, next one, in the year 1959, we have Jugal Kishore's card repertory having 10,000 cards and 600 remedies. Remember, Jugal Kishore's card repertory, 10,000 cards and 600 remedies. But in a few MCQs, we have found that they do not give the 10,000 as such. If they're giving 9,800 something, or 9,900 something, or 9,600 something, so you need to choose the most appropriate one, which comes near to 10,000. So we choose the 9,900 something as an answer. Do not forget it. Next one, in 1984, we have already mentioned, we have Dr. Shashi Mohan Sharma's based on Kent's repertory, and we have 3,000 cards for that. So this was the evolution of cards repertories. Okay,